Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Measure 1 cup non-fat dry milk, 1/2 cup powdered sugar, and 2 tablespoon gelatin or stabilizer. Sift the dry ingredients twice so your powder is lump-free, and chill the bowl and whisk for 10-15 minutes to promote volume. Once sifted, sprinkle the gelatin into 1-2 tablespoon hot water to bloom. This step activates structure. Make sure to mix powders before adding liquid. This prevents clumping and sets you up for a smooth rehydration. You continue by creating the emulsified base. Whip 1/2 cup cold water with the bloomed gelatin and 1 tsp vanilla until frothy. This gives lift and flavor. Then slowly add the wet mix to the dry powders while blending on medium-high, so the powder hydrates evenly and incorporates air. Once combined, spread thin on a tray and dry at 100-110 degrees F for 2-3 hours, making sure to stir or fluff every 30 minutes. To avoid dense clumps, you finish by cooling the dried sheet completely, then mill to a fine powder in a spice grinder or high-speed blender. This makes instant reconstitution easier. Transfer to an airtight container with a desiccant and label. Stored at room temperature, the powder keeps up to 6 months. If you find the powder gummy or clumped, add 1-2 tablespoon cornstarch per cup. Sift, then re-dry briefly. This fixes moisture while preserving whipping performance. Make sure to test a small batch before scaling up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.